In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project templates in CostMiner. This is a fantastic tool for construction estimating and takeoff, and knowing how to use its template feature can save you a lot of time and effort in your future projects. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to CostMiner's website, which is designed to help streamline your construction estimating processes. Once there, the initial step is to log into your CostMiner account. If you're not already familiar with the login process, make sure to have your login credentials handy. Enter your email and password, and then simply hit the Login button to access your workspace. Now that you're in, it's time to select the project you'd like to save as a template. Browse through your existing projects and choose one that you'd like to use as a starting point for future endeavors. Using templates can help ensure consistency across your projects and make managing similar jobs more efficient. Once you've selected your project, take a moment to thoroughly review it. Check all the details involved, such as project specifications, costs, tasks, and materials. You want to ensure everything is accurate because making corrections later can be a bit of a hassle. If adjustments are needed, now is the perfect time to make them. After verifying the project's details, click on Close to exit the detailed project view. This action takes you back to the main menu or the project list view where you commenced. Next, guide your attention to the option symbol in the user interface. It's often depicted with 3 horizontal lines, usually located towards the top of the screen. Click on this symbol to open a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform. From this drop-down, look for an option labeled Save as Template. Selecting this allows you to start the process of saving your project as a template. This is the pivot of the process, where you effectively convert your existing project into a reusable format for future use. Before completing, you'll need to finalize the project's template information. This includes assigning a name to your template, adding a description if necessary, and verifying any other relevant data. Be as descriptive and clear as possible to ensure that you or your team members understand the purpose and content of this template in the future. Once you're satisfied with the template specifics, don't forget to hit the Save button. This action officially stores your template in CostMiner, making it available for your subsequent projects. With this template in place, you've streamlined your workflow, paving the way for effortless repetition of similar projects. And there you have it, a handy project template ready to be utilized whenever you need it. Whether you have frequent projects or just want to be prepared, having templates can boost productivity and ease stress over repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching today's video on creating project templates in CostMiner. If you have any questions or need more guidance, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.